Welcome students. This is an initiative taken by the Directorate of Higher Education, Government of Goa for developing e-content learning in the subject of economics. I am Ms. Lizette D'Costa, Assistant Professor in Economics of VVM's Sri Damodar College of Commerce and Economics, Margao, Goa. I will take you to the module number 21 of Unit 2, Supply and Cost Analysis. The outline of this module is elasticity of supply, concept, formula and types. On completion of this e-module, you will be able to understand the concept of elasticity of supply, measure the elasticity of supply and identify the types of elasticity of supply. Now, what is elasticity of supply? Elasticity of supply is defined as the responsiveness of quantity supplied to a unit change in price. It is the extent of change in quantity supplied in accordance with the change in price. If a small fall in price, say for example just by 20%, leads to a big contraction in quantity supplied, say by 60%, or if a small rise in price, say by 20%, leads to a big expansion in quantity supplied by say 60%, then we term it as supply is equal to elastic or more elastic. On the other hand, if a big fall in price, say by 60%, leads to a very little contraction in quantity supplied by 20%, or if a big rise in price, say by 60%, leads to a very small expansion in quantity supplied, say by only 20%, then supply is equal to inelastic, or it is termed as less elastic. So, how do we measure elasticity of supply? Elasticity of supply can be calculated with the following formula. ES is equal to relative change in quantity supplied of the commodity upon relative change in the price of the commodity. Symbolically, we write it as delta Q divided by Q upon delta P divided by P. We further simplify it, we get it as delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q, where ES is equal to elasticity of supply, P is price, Q is quantity supplied and delta is change. Let us take an example. If as a result of change in price of sugar from rupees 40 to rupees 45 per kg, the total supply of sugar by the seller is increased from 1000 kgs to 1200 kgs, find out elasticity of supply. So, using the formula delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q and substituting the values, we get 200 divided by 5 into 40 divided by 1000. And we get the answer as elasticity is equal to 1.6, indicating that elasticity is more than elastic over here. Now, there are various degrees and types of elasticity of supply. Here we see 5 types of elasticities of supply. Perfectly inelastic supply, symbolically represented as ES is equal to 0. Perfectly elastic supply, symbolically represented as ES is equal to infinity. Unitary elasticity supply, symbolically represented as ES is equal to 1, relatively inelastic supply ES less than 1 and relatively elastic supply ES greater than 1. In the first case, we have perfectly inelastic supply. Diagrammatically, we have price plotted on the y axis and quantity supplied plotted on the x axis. We see here that the quantity supplied curve is a vertical curve, showing that as price increases from P to P1, quantity supplied remains the same at OQ. We have a vertical supply curve indicating 0 elasticity, hence symbolically ES is equal to 0. In the next case, we have perfectly elastic supply. Diagrammatically, price is on the y axis and quantity supplied on the x axis. We have an horizontal supply curve PS indicating that at OP price, the producer is willing to supply any amount of the commodity OQ, OQ1. Symbolically, ES is denoted as infinity. Thirdly, we come to unitary elastic supply. The supply curve SS represents unit elasticity. Any variation in price is accompanied by equal proportionate variation in quantity supplied. Hence, ES is equal to 1. Next, we have relative inelastic supply. Here we see that the supply curve SS is much steep, indicating that as price increases from P to P1, quantity supplied also increases from Q to Q1, but by a lesser degree. Hence, symbolically, ES is less than 1. And lastly, we come to relatively elastic supply. Here, the supply curve is much flatter, indicating that as price increases from P to P1, quantity supplied also increases, but by a greater extent. Symbolically thus, ES is greater than 1. So, we come to the end on the module number 21 on elasticity of supply. Here, we have learnt the concept, the formula and the types of elasticity of supply. Thank you.